Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. Today I will introduce to you one skin package run with rainmeter software. This package will decorate your desktop looks awesome. After finished, you will have a desktop like this. Okay, now I will show you how to make it. Let's go. This is my current desktop. First of all, you download file I put in description below. You have a zip file, your exact file. Now we have a folder with the skin rainmeter and the background picture. If you want set this for your desktop. Okay, now you create new folder and move on icon inside new folder. About recycle bin, you go to setting, personalization, desktop icon setting, unstick recycle bin. Okay, now recycle bin icons were high. Let's you go to Pro and download rainmeter. Run setup file. You right click to unload basic skin. Okay, now go to system child. Click in this icon to run main list rainmeter. You right click to folder, open folder, go back skin folder. Now you go to skin folder you download from my channel. Copy file folder to rainmeter skin folder. Paste in here. Okay, refresh on and you see on skin already linked inside rainmeter software. Now we will show it in desktop. First is control. You extend it. Extend visualizer. Right click, load. Position on desktop. And you see we have a visualizer. Okay. Let's call up. You extend it and select the icon you want to display in desktop. Example, I lost Chrome on desktop. Egg on desktop. This PC, right click lost on desktop. And YouTube, right click lost on desktop. Okay. Around it. Let's la compadres on breast. This is clock. You extend it. Right click, lost. Position on desktop. Move it to here. Okay. Orbital clock. Extend it. Right click, lost on desktop. Move it to here. File is where the desk. You extend it, right click, lost. Okay. You move it to here. Positions on desktop. We already saw all the skin to desktop. I want to say more about where the desk. You extend it, setting, right click, lost. In this table control, you click this screen list to website. In this search box, you input your location. Example, I live in London. You click search, and you see it's so latitude and longitude. You copy latitude, paste in here, enter. Place longitude, paste in here, enter. And you see, now we have weather information in London. Choose the screen variant, current day, 3 day, or 6 day. I usually select current day. Size value, you input size value in this box. It looks bigger. So on high city name, so high. Okay, we finished with weather data. Next step, you go to Pro and access links I put in description below to add to Chrome as on weather playing comparison. You click as extension. Okay. Now you go to folder skin you download in my channel. Run Mastercast Visualizer and scrap loud playing install. Okay. Now you right click unload skin. You go to manage range master. In this table control, you extend Mastercast Visualizer. Setting, extend sound information. Right click note. Okay. Move it to here. Positions on desktop. You extend setting. Right click general note. In this table, you see sound info scale. You select size and you 1. Okay. Select high screen range media player in lost running. Go to media player. Click web loud playing. Allow accept. Close. Okay. Now I will play one music. And you see loud screen show name of music play in your browser. Okay. We are almost finished. Next step, I want to talk more about new folder. As you see, Cloud Skin only have some icon. It's for own software. So if you want quickly access software which don't have icon in the Cloud, you can follow my guide. First, you right click, rename, and press and 255, and you see name folders go high. Let's you right click, show more option, property, customize, change icon, and select this folder with white color. Okay, apply. Okay, and you see folder change color to white. So now you can quickly access software in this folder, and you still skip screens in desktop. Okay, files. I wanna talk about taskbar. First, you turn off on. Right click and spin. About 3. You go to setting, personalization, taskbar, and off on. Okay. Now taskbar looks very clean. And if you want change taskbar become transparent, you go to Microsoft Store and style TranslucentTB. You click install. This software is very short and it will help your taskbar become transparent. You click open, continue, Okay, as you see, start bar already changed to transparent. You can go system child, click this icon and go to desktop. On function in here from optical clear is transparent. Okay, so now we already finished set up a rainmeter package for my desktop. You can follow my guide to apply it for your desktop if you like. Okay, I already showed you how to make your desktop looks more cool with the rainmeter package. If you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.